Hello, this is Eric Wazman on YouTube, and today I want to show my new TARDIS, and this is the one that has the USB ports on it, and it also has a button up here. That's pretty cool. One thing you might notice is different is that I have white in my windows, and actually I've got a little sticking out there. I'll have to fix that later. But my intention is going to be that I'm going to have a light inside of it that will be lighting up the windows, which you can see in the dark. You can't see them at the moment. Let me turn my LEDs on here. There we go. White, give me white. Okay, so this is what I'm going to put inside of the box. These are up in my car at the moment. I actually had a cop in my car last week, and he approved of them, so that was fun. But this will look pretty nice once I have it all finished. So that's all for now. I will talk to myself and you guys later. Take care.